Hey there! Ever wondered how to make your business a local favorite? How to attract more customers right from your neighborhood? Let's dive into the world of local marketing. What exactly is local marketing? Well, it's all about targeting the community around you, focusing on people who live or work just around the corner from your business. Imagine you're walking through your bustling local farmers market or seeing kids play in the nearby park. These are your potential customers, your future fans. Local marketing connects you to them directly, unlike broad, general marketing that tries to reach everyone, everywhere. Now let me paint you a picture. On one side, you have traditional marketing, billboards, TV ads, flyers, casting a wide net. On the other, local marketing, sharp, precise, and just in your neighborhood. So, how do you do it? Let's start online. Social media is a powerhouse. Imagine posting on Instagram or Facebook and targeting just your zip code. Yes, your post only shows up for locals. Then there's Google My Business. Setting up your profile could be the bridge connecting you to your community. Switching gears to offline, ever think about flyers? A simple flyer in your local community center can draw eyes and get the word out about your next big sale. And reviews? Oh, they're golden. A positive review on your local business listing not only builds credibility, but also attracts more locals searching for what you offer. Don't forget about supporting local events or sponsoring a little league team. It's not just good karma, it's smart business. People remember who supports their community. In short, local marketing, whether online or offline, is your ticket to becoming a staple in your community. It drives foot traffic, boosts sales, and most importantly, builds lasting relationships with your neighbors. So why wait? Start connecting, start growing, and let your business bloom right where you are. Because when it comes to success, there's no place like home. Right around the corner,